Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shey. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 12, Cutting Emotional Cords. The theme is about energetic boundaries, emotional clarity, and soul renewal. Cutting emotional cords form when your energy becomes entangled with someone else's. Through love, conflict, attachment, expectations, or unresolved emotions, these cords don't just live in your heart, they live in your energy field. Cutting cords is not about disconnecting from people you care about. It's about releasing energetic weight that is no longer aligned with your growth. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer highlights where you've been drained emotionally, where your heart has been leaking energy, and where old attachments have kept you tied to outdated versions of yourself. Today is a reset, a powerful return to your sovereignty, clarity, and emotional independence. You are reclaiming every piece of your spirit that you gave away out of fear, guilt, obligation, or old identity. Energetic boundaries restore clarity. Welcome to day 12 of the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer healing portal. Cutting emotional cords. Today we release old energetic attachments, reclaim our personal power, and restore deep emotional clarity. This lesson supports healing, emotional detox, spiritual grounding, and the courage to stand in your own truth. In this video, you will receive cord cutting, teaching, and activation. A reset for your heart chakra and emotional field. A healing routine you can repeat anytime you feel drained. Journal prompts for clarity and release. Powerful affirmations to reclaim your energy. This is your time to rise. Let's continue this healing journey together. Before you go, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls that were meant to find it. And I'm so excited to announce that I've started a new guided meditation series right on the channel. Healing Energies with Empress Shey, and is also on my other YouTube channel, which is Daily Align and Evolve. These meditations are designed to support your emotional healing, alignment, and inner peace throughout Jupiter retrograde. And also, there are some financial abundance meditations as well. They are wonderful and they are daily. So they align with the energy of the planet of that day, the planet that resonates with that day. So make sure you check them out if you're needing grounding, clarity, or soothing energy on your journey. I also want to remind you that I offer weekly tarot readings for the collective, and that's on Healing Energies with Empress Shey. Every Thursday, we explore the overall collective energy and the current planetary alignments so you receive a full picture of what the cosmos is activating and how this energy is showing up in your life. And every Saturday, I release the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer reading, where we go deeper into emotional and spiritual shifts happening during the retrograde season. And remember, the healing portal doesn't stop here. Even though the Grand Water Trine has completed, this journey continues all the way until Jupiter retrograde ends on March 10th. This portal has always been rooted in Jupiter retrograde and Cancer energy, activating your fourth house of home, family, emotional roots, and inner security. And because Jupiter is retrograde, this work is internal, reflective, and transformative. Stay with the process, trust what's surfacing, and honor the healing happening beneath the surface. And thank you for being here, and thank you for choosing this healing. Thank you for allowing me to walk with you on this journey, and also for flowing with me today. Beautiful souls, as this Jupiter retrograde in Cancer continues to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This is Empress Shey, and you have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.